5-finger mantra, pinky finger, mantra number 5. Hey, hi, I'm Angel. Thanks for stopping by. Ooh, it's bright out here, isn't it? I am going over my 5-finger mantra, one mantra at a time, and I'm on finger number 5, the pinky finger. Hi there. And that's tough to do. Anyway, excuse me. I want to remind you that this mantra is something that I made up for myself. It's based on other things in other, schools of thought, and you are welcome to adopt it, change it, make up your own, whatever you want to do with it. If you want to do anything at all, I welcome that. And this is a shortened version of my original 5-finger mantra because I have evolved it a little myself to meet my own current needs best as I can. So, 5th finger mantra out of the 5-finger mantra is I find the next little step and I take inspired action. And then I usually clap my hands and kind of brush back my face. I do this in the shower a lot of times in the cold water. So, after my hot bath. Anyway, that is the 5th, or if I have my sunglasses on and my hands on the steering wheel, and I usually include that just kind of as a ritualistic close to my whole 5-finger mantra. And I find it a really quick, the whole thing takes about 1 minute. I'm taking longer to go over each mantra individually and kind of talk about it sinking in. So taking the next little step is, just that, not getting caught up in the big picture too much, trusting that the big picture is set in motion, and that I just need to show up and do the work and take the next little step and the next little step and the next little step and hopefully have a fun, playful time doing it. And before you know it, I will have a fun, playful time right to my destination, my goals. And I can set another one. That's how it works, right? I'd love to know if you have a daily mantra or ritual or something that you do to prime yourself and you're willing to share that with us in the comments. Please do share. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And give me a thumbs up if you like this video. You might want to hit the notifications bell on the playlist. You might want to check in the description for links to books that I've written that you can buy, ways you can help support me in my creative endeavors. Until next time, I wish you peace, prosperity, positivity, potential, playfulness.